अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। मेरा नाम जैनुलाब्दीन है और हेडमास्टर टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन की ये सीरीज में फिफ्थ वीडियो है मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज के हवाले से। जो हेडमास्टर टेस्ट अपकमिंग्स हैं उन सब के लिए ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो होने वाला है, लेक्चर होने वाला है। इंशाल्लाह आपको ये पीपीएससी, एसपीएससी और फ्रीडम पब्लिक सर्विस, पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस या बलूचिस्तान के बीके में ये आपको इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज काम आने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which of the following is an important anger arousing situation during adolescence? सबसे पहले all of the above। तो देखते हैं कौन कौन से हैं। Biased attitude against them, not getting the needs fulfilled, unfair and insulting attitude toward them. So all of them. One of the basic principles of socializing individual is education. You wish to become a teacher because like to be a teacher. The teacher wants student to practice by repetition of some learning contents. He normally uses test method, drill method. When the teacher is restating the information to show basic principles in the classroom, he is actually generalizing. Providing temporary support and encouragement to students until help in no longer needs is called scaffolding. Tests are visual frames to help the learner make connections between the concepts. Graphic organizers. According to Socrates, physical objects and events are dash of their ideal form, shadows. When the topic or an area of a course contains a lot of information, it is recommended to use lecture method. In your view, which one is the most important factor of teaching process? Teacher. In order to make memory level of teaching a success, what should a teacher do? All of above. A logical consequence should be there in the presentation of subject matter. Recall and rehearsal of the learned material should be done at a short interval. Subject matter should be meaningful and interesting before presenting it to people. Which from the following should be used to increase correct responses and appropriate behavior? Praise. Responses that produce a satisfying effect in particular situation become dash to occur again in that situation. More likely to occur in that situation. Jean Piaget proposed stages of cognitive development. 4. All who have meditated on the art of governing mankind have been conceived that the fate of empires depends on the education of youth. This is saying of Aristotle. The concept of pragmatism in educational philosophy says that education should be about life and growth. Which of the following can affect the results of students in examination? All of the above. Number of teachers present, number of class work and homework given, working hours and days of the school. How shall you help a student who has failed in the half-yearly examination? By reteaching the difficult concepts. The phrase equal educational opportunities in Pakistan means equal opportunities for all children to have access to education. Conferences may occur between all of the above. Conferences may occur between students and students, teachers and students, parents and teachers. During facilitative questioning, the teacher poses open-ended questions. Dash is a form of discussion that starts with individual response in the students, then formulate students' pairs. Then the pairs are used to form groups of 4. Discussion web. When a learner is studying simply because work is assigned by the teacher, he is doing cognitive memorizing. Roundtable discussion involves stage participation, 4 to 5 participants. Dash is a pair activity in which students have a short period, typically 30 seconds, to share all they know by writing in graphic organizing. Quick write. Dash is an instructional approach in which objectives are presented to learner, beginning with unknown concepts and proceedings to know concepts unknown to known. According to the law of effect, if a stimulus results in a negative outcome, the SR bond weakened. The brain dash as people gets older shrinks. An assessment that is generally carried out at the end of a course to assign students a course grade is called summative assignment. Dialectical method is a discourse between opposing parties to establish the truth through reasoned arguments. Bloom's taxonomy is a set of learning domains 3. To break information into parts and to examine the information is called analyzing. Validity of an assessment related to the dash of an assessment relevance. Rousseau advocated an educational method which consisted of removing the children from society. So this was the end of today. आज के इस छोटे से लेक्चर या वीडियो में हमने कुछ MCQs आपके सामने रखे हैं. इंशाल्लाह ये आपको एग्जाम में काम आएंगे. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग. अगर आपको ये लेक्चर या वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और कमेंट करें. शेयर के बटन को जरूर दबाइएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.